Okay, so guess what showed up for me on my way to work today? A surprise gift. Yes, so surprise. And not just any gift. See, Aura store came through with some real magic here. Look at this packaging though. I already feel fancy. First up, AURA Lapel. Oh, so classic. And then, wait for it, AURA hair band. Tell me this isn't screaming queen energy. Hold up, do you see this? 1 minute at my desk and suddenly I'm now that girl. This hairband is giving elegance and the lapel, honey, it's me. This is giving boss lady vibes. Now I'm ready to slip to work today. No new recycled fashion could look this good. Don't wait for someone to surprise you. It's time to surprise yourself. Our store is live. The link is right there. Click it, shop it. Thank me later.